Hey guys, so if we see out here, not a good time to be planting right now. It's kind of cold, but let's get back inside. If you're like me, you're planning for the spring, and so I've been buying some stuff from Haas. Got me a sickle hoe, and I got me a high arch wheel hoe with a bunch of attachments for it. Got me the Haas Success Kit. Comes with the boiled linseed oil and everything. So I'm gonna do my handles, get a good couple of coats on there, maybe 3, maybe 4. Want this to last for a long time. Excited about that. Got me a fertilizer injector kit, drip irrigation. I got 3 of those. I think they're about $100 on the Haas. I got 3 of them. Plow set here and sweeps. So yeah, anyway, good things coming here pretty soon in the future when we can get out and start working in the soil. Well, all right, talk to you later.